Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily lock a vault in the Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to File in the top left corner. Now here you will have an option to lock vault, and here you can choose which one, or simply lock all vaults using the Ctrl+L. So you guys can lock the vault right here. Let me lock my one. And now our vault is locked, and now we need to enter the master password to unlock it. So as you guys can see, now let's click enter, and now our vault is unlocked. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.